Have you heard about the mobile AI monopoly and its 9-second AI phone trick? It's making big claims, but is it a scam or the real deal? Let's find out. This program promises to teach you how to use AI on your phone to generate massive profits in just seconds. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. Most users report vague instructions, exaggerated earnings claims, and no real results. The $47 price tag feels steep for what turns out to be generic advice and outdated tactics. Red flags include pushy sales funnels, fake testimonials, and upsells that pressure you into spending more. While AI tools can be valuable, this package doesn't deliver on its bold promises. Always research before investing in programs like this. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and share your thoughts below to help others avoid scams.